Hey, James Neville Taylor again, and congratulations on being an action taker. If you're here right now, that means you're an action taker and we are going to get on really well. So you've taken a great step today and are going to see great success with the Rapid Profit Machine if you follow the steps. Okay, so let's move on to the next step, which is what you need to do to get your RPM set up and ready to start generating your income online. And remember, this is all completely free. So with the RPM, you get a full machine set up and ready to go. Some systems out there will just give you the funnel, the opt-in page and thank you page. Then you have to buy the email follow-up or all the extras. With this, you get the lot. You get everything. You can download the entire funnel, the email follow-up and everything for free. If some of those words seem a bit alien to you right now, don't worry. We will be covering all of that later in the basics training, which again is free. So like I said, on to the next step. I truly want to give you everything you need to start seeing results, no matter your budget and no matter where you come from. Now, in this video, we're going to dig a little deeper and get you set up with the platform which will host your RPM, send out the emails and all that good stuff. Now, don't worry, it's really, really simple. I'm going to show you how to set everything up in a few minutes over the shoulder. And the platform is called Builderall. And again, this is completely free. You don't even need to enter your credit card details. And this isn't a free trial or anything like that. This is a completely free forever account. So it's really, really cool. I use Builderall for everything in my business. I host all my websites, funnels, blogs. I send out all my emails and Facebook chatbot blasts with Builderall and everything. It truly is the best online solution out there. And their free plan allows you to do everything for free, which is crazy, right? So you need to do this to be able to run the Rapid Profit Machine. Builderall is the only platform which uses this auto tag technology, and it's the only one that gives you hosting and email capability for free. So all you need to do is click the button below, set up your free account, which I'm going to walk through with you right now. And once you have your account set up, the next step, you can import your entire machine into your Builderall account, one click, and everything, your emails, your capture pages, your bridge pages, an entire funnel is imported in one click. Now, if you already have a Builderall account, that is all set up, then that is great. You can skip this step. You are good to go. Okay, so you're on my computer now, and as you can see, this is the same page that you're on right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to click this button which says get your free Builderall account now. That's going to open up a new page where we can register for our free Builderall account. All you need to do is put your name, your email, your password, and accept the terms of the privacy policy to register. And it's important that you use the same email address all the way through. So the same email that you use here needs to be used later on as well. So please pick an email that you can receive mail at and that you can use for the later steps as well. So now all my information is in here. I'm just going to click register. It's going to redirect me to the Builderall back office. I'm going to choose my country. I'm in the United Kingdom. So I'm going to scroll down and choose the United Kingdom. And then there's a few steps that we need to do. So you've now got your free Builderall account. So that includes email, it includes hosting, it includes all sorts of things that you can do for free now. And there's no other platform which allows you to do this for free. So it's really cool. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set up the Cutier website builder for first time use. So you can come through here, you can register for your, you can sign up for the Facebook groups if you want, but first thing we're going to do is create a website now. So this is important so you can import your Rapid Profit Machine into your account. Otherwise, it's not going to download. So we just need to create a quick dummy site to make sure that it's all connected properly. So I'm going to go in and create a website. I'm going to just choose a simple website. And then I'm just going to choose blank, select this, and save. And now this area is ready to go. So we just needed to set this up for first time use. So we're going to come back to Builderall now. So close that tab and come back to the previous tab. So the websites are all set up now. And now we just need to set up the email platform for the emails to be imported into our account. So we're going to come to apps and we're going to click on drag and drop email marketing automation mailing boss. And before we do Mailing Boss quickly, I just want to show how to get there if you can only see this. If you've got a smaller screen, you'll only be able to see Builderall there. You won't be able to see this. So if that's the case, you've got a smaller screen, you'll be able to see the menu down the side here where you'll be able to go into the apps. So it's the same thing. If you've got a bigger screen, you'll be able to see the apps up here like this. You'll be able to go straight into Mailing Boss. Or if you've got a smaller screen, then you may not be able to see that. You'll be able to see the menu right here where you can go into apps, and then you can simply get your Mailing Boss here. So you can click Mailing Boss and enter, and that will take you into Mailing Boss as well. So real quick, we just need to set up Mailing Boss for first time use, just as we did the Cheetah website builder. So you just need to enter your name, your first name and last name, and then the name of your business. So my business is Tailor Your Best Life. And then you just enter your emails. If you've got a domain set up, you're going to enter your emails, but don't worry about that right now. You can just put in the same email that you used to sign up, and then your website URL if you've got a website. If not, you can just leave that blank. Now you need to enter your business details. So this could be your home address if you don't have a business address, but it's required by law from the Can-Spam Act. So you need to put in your actual business, your actual address where you can receive mail. So I'm going to put in my business address and then click next. And that is it. That's all you have to do for this step, is just set up your Mailing Boss autoresponder for first time use and your Cheetah website builder for first time use. And that is it. Now, this is by far the longest step. All the other steps are at least half the size of this. So this is the longest step, the biggest step. Congratulations, because you've now got your entire Builderall account set up with your email, with your websites and everything. So now you have your account set up, you're ready to import your machine, which we will do on the next step. I'll see you there.